Between two of the most powerful rising economies, China and India, lies a developing country, Nepal. Despite being so rich in natural resources, political instability, natural calamities, emigration of majority of youth have been pushing its infrastructure development decades further. Moreover, with more than 70% of its total land being topographically challenged, it's high time we moved to time and cost-effective approaches for obtaining better data for any topography, better visualization and analytics, and better planning such that development can be achieved at exponential rate yet being sustainable. Introducing Dronepal. With the use of drone technologies and latest IT infrastructures and tools, we plan on achieving this vision. We take care of everything from legal procedures, information management, real-time progress tracking, to timely reporting of construction progress to government authorities. With our current planning, we are creating impact in a market with more than 920 hydropower companies requiring more than 2,500 surveys with an estimated budget of $17 million. Also, with our array of after-sales services, our initial year's projection of recurring revenue is more than $20,000. So, there is a huge market of clients looking for better services, and there are lots of innovative tools and technologies available in the market today, but with a huge gap in between. And with our highly motivated team of experts, we aim to bridge this gap and ensure accelerated development of Nepal. Dronepal. Transforming development, sustaining future.